morning. So today we're going to be working on the bay. Now that the KA has been pulled, there's a lot of things that we can take out before we throw the new engine in, so we're going to be doing that today. I already went ahead and started taking out the cruise control on all the components for that. Now Blaine is going to take the fuse box and take all those wires out and run it into the car. We're not too sure yet where we're going to run it, so he's just taking all the wires out for now. I'm going to be going into the car and start taking off the dash because we're thinking maybe we can run it through the dash or to the back of the car. So we're just trying to see where we have space for it and then go from there.
Okay guys, so the dash moves freely on this side. As you guys can see, Christine's working on her side over there. Well, she ended up cracking her defroster trim on that side. Pro tip, if you can just lift the edge, more than likely it will crack, but it won't explode. There's only one bolt on this edge here and another bolt on that edge. So if you can just lift the trim slightly, take the bolt out, and then lay it flat again, you don't need to pull the whole defroster trim out because it will crack and explode. Okay. Come on, this side. Okay guys, so like I said in the beginning, I'm going to be removing everything that doesn't need to be in the engine bay or be used with the new engine. So with that being said, I'll be starting off by removing the charcoal canister and everything associated with it. So the canister, the intake box down there, all these lines that run back to the gas tank. I'm gonna just take all the engine bay ones out and cap it off where it leads back. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and I already have this unbolted. Okay, so this is what I'm using. It's just some vacuum caps. It's gonna be to cap off the line on the bottom. It comes in a pack like this. I just gotta figure out which one I need and cap off the end. Just like that.
I just ran over to AutoZone to get one of these T50 torque bolts. I couldn't find the information online, or it was hard to find it. So if you guys need it to take off the airbag, it's a T50. Blaine had an idea of putting all the fuse box components underneath the dash, underneath this airbag cover. So we're gonna see if we can kind of configure it to do something like that, but I need to take off all the airbag and all the lines off first. So I'm gonna do that. Since I took the airbag out, I might as well take out all the wiring since we're here. The steering wheel doesn't have the airbag already, so I'm taking all that wires out. I'm almost done, so I just need to follow it to the back, but I think in order to get to all the wiring in the back, I need to take off the back seats first. Now that the bay is pretty much ready to go, all we need to do is do the tubs now. I finally decided that we're gonna go ahead and do them. So we're at Tractor Supply Company and we're gonna see if they have some in stock. Cut it in half?
Cut it in half and then we can trim it
Lane
down.
wouldn't step on the middle, so right there, you know, it's the middle.
That's the middle.
That's how you know. That's how you know. Can you measure that?
Yeah, can measure the teeth. One door's length, okay? Now measure your door.
Actually, yeah, we can just hold it on.
Another way.
Oh, saw that, saw that. I don't know.
In case you guys need full
So I get the exact.
proper measurements.
Why don't you put it the opposite way?
Or we can just kind of like this. Then
Yeah.
and then just rip them.
There's like somebody body would tape measure.
Nah, this is the most accurate way.
Tape measure not stick
Bro, this is down to the point decimals, bro.
down to the point decimal.
Down to the ounces, cuz.
Downtown.
Yup, right there. Here is the middle, right here. Boom. That's where you guys gonna cut.
Wait, we can pull them away. That way the bubble stay at the end. I like seeing them. All you gotta do is.
Then him.
Him is there right there.
Yup, him is always right there.
Just like that.
Just like that. Good. See how good he measure?
Oh, it's almost perfect.
Okay. Oh, that's like perfect.
Oh, that is perfect.
Look at that. That's like perfect. That's cherry.
It is.
Yeah.
It's
Look
way
at this.
better than I thought it was gonna
That
fit.
thing fits like perfectly. All we gotta do is tack it here, make a piece of sheet metal right here, and then make this cover plate right there, and we're cherry.
Oh, this side is good too.
That's cherry, guys. Okay. So it doesn't need to be like super perfect.
It just has to be like in the shape.
Yeah, because
Like
you're gonna mess up
this
when
is-
you cut that out anyway. Here, you see that stuff. Then we're gonna see if this matches this. Okay,
Oh, perfect.
it does. Okay, so Christine made this little template on cardboard that we can transfer over to the actual. So the reason for that is because it actually fits like perfectly on here, but we want it to sit a little bit lower. So she's gonna cut this out. She's pretty much just gonna cut it like this. Just cut this out. It's a shape.
Yeah. Just cut a little bit first.
Yeah.
What?